Nandito tayo ngayon sa NAIA Terminal 2 because meron tayong ngayon ang flight natin papuntang Cagayan. Ngayon at nasa gate 15 yung ano natin, kaso hindi pa nakapapasok. Mamaya pa 3:40 yung flight natin, so baka mga 3 pa yung open ng gate. Hindi pa tayo dito kasi ang daming tao dun sa gate 15 eh. Feeling ko mga 3 pa naman yung bukas ng gate, so dito na tayo mag-antay para hindi madaming tao. Papasok na tayo sa plane. It's already 3:05. Okay, we already arrived here at Cagayan de Oro. So, we're now back here. So, we're just gonna ride the van going to the city. I'm going to stay here for a night kasi it's already 5 na, so sarado na yung mga wala na yung mga tawag dito, wala na, hindi natin maabutan yung last ferry going to Camiguin. May bibili lang ako dito. Hindi tayo dito sa Park View Hotel, so nandito na naman ulit tayo. Let's check in. May booking reservation. Okay, I'm inside the room. Same room where I was in before the last time. So, I'm so tired. I'm just gonna order Food Panda na lang from Food Panda. And then, I'm going to just rest and then wake up tomorrow morning, early morning tomorrow. So, we can go to Camiguin. Okay, let's go. Bye-bye. Okay, so nandito tayo sa Balingoan Port. Sakay lang tayo ng van papuntang Camiguin. Ay, hindi pala tayo sa Balingoan. Agora Bus Terminal pa pala tayo. Papunta tayo Balingoan Port. Sakay tayo ng, we're gonna ride the van going to Camiguin. Okay, we are now here at the Balingoan Port. So, we're just gonna buy our ticket. Let's see what's the next schedule for the ferry ride going to Benoni. Let's check it out. Tingnan tayo kasi 9:45 yung sa St. Benedict's, 10 o'clock.
One way lang daw sila tikay.
Okay, so we already have our ticket na. Papasok na tayo dun sa port. Not sure kung nagpapasok na sila kasi 9:45 ang schedule. It's 9 o'clock now. Let's see. We're just waiting here. Hanggang sa pwede na magpumasok. Yeah, we're going inside the boat now. It's our boat.
Ngayon ay Pasko, dapat pasalamatan. Ngayon ay Pasko, tayo ay mag-awitan. Pasko, Pasko, Pasko na naman ulit. Tanging araw na I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
We're now here at Binoli Port. We're back, we're back. It's nice to be back to this very beautiful island of Camiguin. It always feels like summer when I'm here. Especially winters when it's sunny. The weather's so nice. I like it when it's sunny. It's 11:14 now, so siguro before I go to the house, I'll have my lunch here sa local restaurant. So that I won't need to cook na anymore. So I'm just gonna eat here. Just gonna have my lunch here before going to the homestay. Here. Gonna eat here first. So this is my lunch. I'm just gonna eat first and then I'm gonna go to the house after this. So we're done eating na. So hanap lang tayo ng orange tuk-tuk to take us to the homestay. Okay. Okay. Guys, we're here now. Ang tataas na ng halaman. We're now back to our homestay. We're back here now. Welcome inside. This is the house. Okay, let's go. Buksan ko na yung mga package. Tapos ito yung mga ibang mga dala ko. Syempre dito sa Ate Marquesa. So yan, bubuksan ko na itong mga package. Okay, so I'm done unwrapping. So ito yung mga binili ko. Yan, the wax which I'm gonna use for cleaning the floor. This is one of the things that I bought online, which is like dumbbell set for exercising. So that if our guests want to do some lifting or exercising, something like this. So exercise equipments that I bought that our guests can use, diba? And unfortunately, yung isang mirror, yung full body mirror was broken eh. I was planning to put it here, the full body mirror, but it was broken. So I'm done cleaning the house. Actually, I'm still not done. I'm still yet to wax the floor, but I'm gonna do it tomorrow because I'm so tired. So those are the exercise equipment that I bought. And then I transfer the cabinet from there to here and here. Yan. I did some rearranging. So now it's almost 5:53, so I have to take a shower and then buy my food kasi I don't have any food left here in the house. So I don't have anything to eat. So I'm just gonna take a shower and then go to the, I don't know, maybe the grocery or market. Let's see. Okay ko, karating ko lang galing market. So bumili na ako ng mga mga kailangan ko, like egg, rice, vegetable, bread, and everything. So buti na abutan ko pa sila kasi maaga pala sila nagsasara. They close very early during Sundays. So pero I have to cook now. Okay, so right now I'm cooking the very common adobo, because this one is easy to cook so I chose to cook this, although the rice is already cooked. So I'm just waiting for the pork to tender so that I can eat, because it's already late, because I was busy cleaning the house and doing all some rearrangement and things like that. So I'm just gonna wait for this to tender. I didn't cut this into small pieces already because I don't have time anymore. We're just cooking. I'm just gonna let it cook and tender the pork.
I really wanted the French coast. Was it crying to look good?
So Jaden was telling me about the new VP of sales. How he's complaining that expenses is some strict job. Doesn't think like that.
No, he isn't.
The man paid for lap dances and made bounty too. You would fire people for less. It's kind of a sport for you.
I fire people who deserve to be fired. People who